Ever wonder why some people always seem to have their money situation under control while you are still manually tracking every single coffee you buy? It is all about the system. Most of us try to use willpower to save money, but the truth is that willpower is a limited resource that runs out by the time you finish your workday and start browsing online. To truly reach your financial goals, you need to stop thinking about discipline and start thinking about automation, because a robot never forgets to put money into your savings account. The first step is the paycheck split, which means you send a portion of your income directly to your savings or investment account before you even see the balance in your checking. This follows the principle of paying yourself first, so you are forced to live on what is left rather than trying to save what remains at the end of a busy month of spending. You can set this up through your employer or your bank app, and it takes about 5 minutes to do. But it will literally save you thousands of dollars over the next few years. Next, let us talk about micro-investing apps that round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, because those tiny cents add up to a significant portfolio without any extra effort. If you buy a sandwich for $6.50, the app takes 50 cents and invests it for you, which makes the process of building wealth feel completely invisible. Another huge drain on our financial productivity is the forgotten subscription, and we all have those services we signed up for months ago but never actually use or enjoy anymore. Use a subscription management tool to scan your accounts and cancel anything that does not bring you value, because saving $50 a month is the same as a small raise. Automating your bills is also crucial, not just for avoiding late fees, but for keeping your credit score high, which saves you massive amounts of money on future loans and mortgages. Set your credit card and utility payments to the minimum amount automatically, so you never miss a deadline, then manually pay off the rest if you want to be extra careful. Financial automation creates a psychological safety net that allows you to focus your mental energy on increasing your income rather than just managing your current expenses. Think of your bank account as a machine where every dollar has a specific job to do, and your only task is to build the blueprint that tells those dollars exactly where to go. Once the system is running, you only need to check in once a month for 10 minutes to make sure everything is on track and adjust your goals as your life and income change. It is much easier to stay consistent when you do not have to make a choice every day, because the right choice has already been made for you by your automated banking rules. You will find that your stress levels drop significantly when you stop worrying about whether you can afford things, or if you are saving enough for your retirement or a house. Remember that small changes in your habits lead to massive results over time, especially when those habits are powered by technology that works for you while you are sleeping. Start with just one small automation today, like a $10 weekly transfer, and see how it feels. Then gradually increase the amount as you get more comfortable with the flow. Success in finance is not about being a math genius, but about being smart enough to know that your future self will appreciate the systems you put in place right now, today. Most people fail because they rely on motivation, but motivation is like a battery that needs constant recharging, whereas automation is like a solar panel that works on its own. Every rich person I know has a system that manages the boring parts of their money so they can focus on the big opportunities that actually move the needle for their net worth. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more ways to optimize your life and finances, and I will see you in the next video for more great tips.